is Saturday morning and I decided to just put some fruits together to extract them for my family for this Saturday. And I'm going to be using ginger and lemon and apple, orange and carrots. So my husband bought this carrot some days ago from the supermarket, and when I tasted the carrot, it was not having any taste at all. I could feel it that I'm chewing carrot, but I'm not feeling it. I'm not feeling the vibe. It was not sweet at all. So the only way I could use this carrot is either extract it with some fruit, and carrot is good for the body. Everything I'm using now, I will list the benefits, in the comment section. So in case you want to just know each fruit, what it carries. All right. And when my husband bought this carrot, when I tasted it, I said, no, we are not going to eat this carrot. My kids that love carrots a lot, when they taste it, they will tell me, Mommy, I don't want carrots. Like, I don't want to eat carrots. I was like, okay. So I will not just want this carrot to waste like that when I have a lot of ways to do, like to use it, And this morning, I just cut everything together. I decided to just extract everything, and trust me guys, it was so nice because the orange is so sweet. The orange is really, really sweet, and the carrot was not sweet, and the apple is just normal. And with ginger and with a little bit of lemon, it gives this really good taste. And I'm really happy I did, because most times I like to do things like this, like just extract my juice at home for my kids to drink. Like, all of us, we enjoyed it, and after I extract everything together this way, I'm going to just transfer all of them in a bowl later and stir all of them, because when I extract them some different, like, and when this cup full now, it might be orange and an apple that is in this cup right now. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to mix everything together so that it will be, we are drinking everything together. So, and Bianca was just doing the work and she was happy. When it comes to things like this, she's really happy doing them. Like, she went to go and take the share away, and she opened the juice, and because she said how did she say, there's a word she always use for it. And yeah, so having a child helping you in the kitchen, and it's really it make it fun. While Latisha and the other ones, they were just in the sitting room doing something else, and Bianca and I were in the kitchen and doing this. So guys, what do you think about this juice? It looks so inviting. Me watching it right now, I feel like taking it again. Like, I want to drink it again. So see here now is lemon that just came out now, is lemon. So that is why at the end of the day, I'm going to mix everything together. So yeah, here we go. I put everything here. So from here now, I'm going to start transferring it to the can where we are going to serve it. So I hope you like this video, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Bye for now.